Tips and tricks for using Silhouette Studio tutorial for beginners. Tip 1. Page setup. Step 1. Before beginning any project, go over to page setup. Step 2. Confirm the machine selected and the feed type. Step 3. Select the cutting mat and the media size. Step 4. Next, go to the Send panel and select the right material. Tip 2. Use multiple pages for large projects and different materials. Step 1. If you're creating a large project with different materials, you can open multiple pages. Step 2. Click the plus icon next to the current page on the top left side of the screen. Step 3. Once you create a new page, go to the File tab on the top left side of the screen and select Merge. Step 4. Locate and select the design and load it into the page. Step 5. You can also copy and paste the design elements from one page to the other. Step 6. Right-click the design element, select Copy and select the other page from the top left side of the screen. Step 7. Right-click inside the page and select Paste. Tip 3. Open and organize multiple files in one design page. Step 1. To bring in multiple files in one design page, click File and select Merge. Step 2. Locate and select the design and load it into the page. Step 3. Repeat the same steps to load the rest of the designs. Step 4. To organize the files, place the first element on the mat and click Send. Step 5. Click Design to go back to the design page, select the first element and set it to the right side of the mat. Step 6. Select the second element, place it on the mat and click Send. Step 7. Go back to the design page and repeat the same steps for the rest of the elements. Tip 4. Create template. Step 1. Go to the left panel and select a shape. Step 2. Resize the shape to match the size of the blank you'll be using. Step 3. Right-click the shapes and select Convert to Path, unlock it from the toolbar and resize as required. Step 4. You can go ahead and add more shapes to create the template. Step 5. If you've used more than one shape to create the template, right-click the shape and select Make Compound Path to merge them into one. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.